Today I'm going to show you how you can open a Forex account with FXPro and do it quicker than you make your morning coffee. Let's go. So good morning, good night, good afternoon everyone. I'm going to be doing this live right in front of you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to open a Forex account. So step one, you're going to want to head over to FXPro's website. This is where your journey starts. It's clean, easy to navigate, just a click away from you. Alright, so after you hit register, you're going to want to put your email address and the country of your residence. So you're going to go ahead, put your email address in as well as your password. It has to have one lowercase, one uppercase, one number, and 8 characters, right? So you're going to want to put that in. It's really simple and easy. So stick around and I'll add an extra bonus tip for success. Every trader needs these the tips, right? So we're just going to go ahead on this next page. You're going to enter your first name, your last name, your date of birth, and your phone number. So you want to make sure that this information is accurate and it's matching what's on your ID, or you won't be able to fund your account and you just won't be able to properly use your account, right? So you just want to make sure that everything makes sense, right? I'm just using these names for example purposes and this number. So you just want to make sure everything matches exactly like what's on your ID, right? So after that, you just hit register and then you go ahead and you're going to be brought to your trader page. So right here, you'll see your wallet. Excuse my Wi-Fi is moving a bit slow today. So you're going to see here your wallet, right? All right, but before you can start trading, you got to prove that, you're KYC verified. That means you have to upload a government ID or proof of address, right? And you also need to make a deposit. So you can use a credit card or you can use cryptocurrency. It doesn't really matter which one you use. FXPro also has some really cool tools like the FXPro dashboard, economic calendar. These are really useful for traders. Like, we really need these things, especially the calculator if you want to calculate your lot size and stuff like that, your position size. This is the best thing to use. You can use different currency pairs, different currencies, and it all varies. So it's very key, and I'm sure you'll find a lot of use for it. So don't be afraid to check it out and you'll really see what's going on, right? So we also have Squawk out, so you can see breaking news and stuff like that. So like for stocks and so forth, you can see the whole shebang, right? So if the news has been doing a toll on you, you should probably check Squawk out. So now that you've made your deposit and you're in business, right, you can go ahead and use your trading accounts. You can see your trading account is not currently activated. Please ensure you send the required documents and fund this account. So you won't be able to use the account after you have fully funded the account. The minimum deposit, I believe, is $10, so you can deposit any amount really. And your credentials will be sent in your email. So unless you use the correct credentials, the right email, the right name, you won't be able to receive your account. Your account logins will be located in your email. So that brings us to the end of our video. I hope it was really helpful for you guys. Start trading with FXPro. It's really the best broker I've used personally. So just don't miss out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.